Hello student, I am going to start the new chapter factors and multiples. Before going to start this chapter, you have to know some term. Number 1, HCF. It is the highest common factor or the greatest common factor. LCM means it is the lowest common multiple. LCM of fractions, LCM of numerator, HCF of denominators. Number 4, HCF of fraction, HCF of numerators by LCM of denominators. 5, product of two numbers equal LCM of numbers into HCF of numbers. Now, exercise 2.1. Take the correct answer. Number 1. Find the least number which is divisible by 8, 9, 12 and 15. So you have to find out the LCM of this all number. So LCM of this all number is 360. So answer is 1C 360. Now number 2. Find the greatest number which leaves 2 and 3 as remainder on dividing 750 and 1023 respectively. So find out HCF, you have to subtract 2 from 750 and 3 from 1023 respectively. So you will get 748 and 1020. Now you have to find out HCF of these two numbers. So in this way you can find out the HCF. Okay. So HCF of this of these two numbers is 68. Clear? So answer is 2B 68. You are in class 6. So I think all of you know how to do LCM and HCM. So you can easily find out your answer. Now question number 3. LCM of two number is 495 and HCF is 5. Sum of both number is 100. Find the smallest number. Now let the numbers are 5x and 5y because 5 is the highest common factor where x and y are co-prime numbers. Therefore, product of two numbers HCF into LCM. I have already told here that product of two numbers LCM of numbers into HCF of numbers. So I have written here product of two numbers into LCM or 5x into 5y equal 5 into 495, 25 into 5, 25, 25 xy equal, you have to multiply 495 with 5. So you will get 2475 or xy equal 2475 and 25 you have to divide here. So you will get 99. According to the given problem 5x plus 5y 100, there is written that the sum of these two numbers is 100. So 5x plus 5y equal 100 or 5x plus y equal 100 or x plus y equal 100 by 5 equal 20. Now we have to find out prime factorization of 99 such that the two numbers we get must be added equal to 20. So you have to find out the factor. So in this way you can find out the answer. So 11 and 9, 3 into 3, 9, 11 and 9 are the two numbers. X plus y equal 20 or 9 plus 11 equal 20. The numbers are 5x equal 5 into 9 45, 5y 5 into 11 55. So answer is here you have to find out the smallest number. So answer is 45. So 3C 45. Clear? Now 4. The difference of two number is 1 by 9 of their sum. Sum of the number is 45. Find the HCF. So two number, suppose I take two number A and B. So A plus 5 equal 45 or equal 45 minus B. A minus B equal 1 by 9 into 45 because here is told 1/9 of their sum. 1/9 of their sum is 45. So 1 by 9 into 45. So 9 into 5, 45 equal 5. Clear? So 9 into 5, 45 equal 5. Or a minus, so a minus b equal 5, or a equal 5 plus b. Now a plus b 45. Now you put the formula. So a plus b 45, and here a equal 5 plus b. So 5 plus b equal 45, or 2b equal 40 by 2. 45 minus 5, 40. So 40 by 2, 20. Clear? Now a equal 45 minus 2 equal 25. So two number, HCF of two number, one number is 25, another number is 20. So you have to find out HCF. So 5 into 5, 25, and 5 into 4, 20. So HCF is 5. So answer is 4A, 5. Now 5. Find the LCM of 1 by 3, 2 by 9, 5 by 6 and 4 by 27. You have to put the formula. LCM of fraction equal LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. So LCM of numerator 1, 2, 5, 4. You have to find out the LCM. So LCM is 20. HCF of denominator means 3, 9, 6 and 27. So 3, 9, 6, 27. You find out the HCF. So HCF is 3. So the number is 20 by 3. So 5B is the correct one. Now next, in HCF of two number is 7. Which of the following can never be their LCM? Answer is 6, 8, 9, because it is not divisible by 7. Here are the three number 49, 77 and 105. See, the all are divisible by 7. Only the 89 is not divisible by 7. So that's why, that's why this one is the correct option. Okay. Now number 7. If LCM of two number is 210, which of the following can never be their HCF? So 7, see the options 11, 7, 5 and 3. So 7, 5 and 3, 210 divisible by all these three number, but only 11 is 210 is not divisible by 11. So answer is 7A, 11. Now sum of HCM and LCM of two numbers is 403 and their LCM is 12. 12 times of their HCF. One of the number is 93. Find out other number. According to the given problem, HCF plus LCM equal 403. Here is written sum of HCF and LCM. Sum of HCF and LCM equal 403. And their LCM is 12 times of their HCF. So HCF plus 12 HCF, because LCM means 12 HCF equal 403. So 13 HCF equal 403. HCF equal 403 by 13 equal 31. So LCM equal 372. Why? Because 400, sum of these two number 403. So one number we get one number 31. We get HCF equal 30. HCF equal 31. So LCM equal 403 minus 31, 372. Now product of two number is A into B equal 372 into 31. A equal 93, because here is told that one number is 93. Okay, so you put one number, so A into B. So A into 93 equal 372 into 31, or A equal, you do this in way and you will get your answer 124. So answer is 8C, 124. Now 6 bells ring at an interval of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 second respectively. They started ringing simultaneously. After how long they ring again together. So you have to find out the LCM of this all number. In this way you can find out your answer. Okay, so LCM equal 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5 equal 120. 120 second. 120 second equal 2 minutes. So answer is 2 minutes. Now 10. List number which when divided by 24 and 30 and 54 leaves 11 as remainder. So you have list number which when divided by 24, 30 and 54 leaves it as remainder. So 24, 30 and 54 you have to find out the LCM, because here is total list number. Okay, so LCM equal all this number is 1080. So leaves remainder, it leaves 11 as remainder, so you have to add 11 with this number. So number is 1080 plus 11 equal 1091. So option D is correct, 1091. Student, please remember, no need to solve exercise 2.2, page number 8. Chapter number 2 you will do only up to exercise 2.1. From chapter number 2 you will do only up to exercise 2.1. Okay, students, now you practice all this. I have given this all in a study material. You see the study materials and practice all this math. Okay, thank you.